Celtic farmer here. Let's talk about moringa. Moringa trees, if you don't know what they are, look them up on the internet. They love hot weather, but you can also grow them in a greenhouse for all those that are above like zone 8. They told me, oh, you can't grow them, but I grow them all the time. One thing is you cannot be afraid. Here's one of the things that they never tell you. You cannot be afraid of the moringas. They just like it hot, when they like it humid, especially in a greenhouse. Now what I've done here is I've went ahead and I have cut these back. And it just, I mean, you feel fear because you think, oh my God, these things are not going to grow. Let me show you what I did here. I cut this one back 2 days ago. And as you can see, it is starting to bush out. You cannot hardly kill these things, so don't worry about them. This one here I did exactly 5 days ago. All right, I just did this as a presentation to do this video with. Now what I've been doing here is I go ahead and get these ready for winter time, and I grow them right here in the greenhouse. I'm going to show you something here real quick. Moringas grow fast. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, almost. All right. Look how tall they get. Look how tall that one little plant gets. That tree. It's a tree. And you can eat these leaves. You can see that this is starting to turn a little bit, starting to get cool weather here. And this one here is actually blooming out. Once they get this big, what I will do is I will come in here just probably about 4 or 5 foot, and if you look carefully you can see this node here growing here. I'll cut this right here. I'll cut this off right here. My wife takes all of this and she'll harvest every one of those leaves. And what then is that we'll put a cover over it, like of you know, like a greenhouse cover or whatever. Now this will die back, and I've actually had this one. I've had this one for a couple of years now. This here will die back clear to the ground. I mean, I mow over top of it and everything, and you think it's not going to grow, but all of a sudden you look down there and here it comes. When it gets nice and hot, she'll grow back. So if you want to try the moringa trees in your area, number one is put them in the greenhouse over the winter time. Keep them as hot as you possibly can. They do love heat and they do love humidity. Then during the summertime, they will grow, and they grow fast. They grow real fast. So if if it's say June, July, and you don't see them, don't worry about them. Because when it gets hot enough, when that soil down there gets hot and they get hot enough, they will just, they just keep right on going real quick. And you don't have to worry about cutting them back. Like I said, just go ahead, cut them back, and they will continue to grow. Okay? All right. Just please still subscribe to me. Keep tuning into my videos. I'm going to teach you things that people don't teach. Look at my video on the turmeric, on what how great the turmeric leaves are. Now we're talking right from the plant. We're not talking about what you get in the store that's got full of fillers. I'm teaching you on how to go ahead and look at my other videos on how to go ahead and take a turmeric leaf and how to turn it into turmeric tea, how to use the turmeric stems in your cooking. And I've got horseradish coming up. I've got asparagus coming up. I've got all sorts of stuff. These are all specialty things that you won't see on other websites. Y'all have a blessed day.